we are going to see how to create the packaging that we will use to print the labels with the Gesvatec Labeling Software. We cannot print any label until we have created at least one packaging previously. First of all, you must log into your private area in the Gesvatec web app. Go to Management Packaging. Click the New Register button. Here you must fill out the text box with a description for the packaging. Optionally, you can enter an alias that will be the text printed on the labels. It's important that the text on the labels describes the weight for the packaging, because it will be the way of visually verify that the weight corresponds with the packaging used. In the packaging section, we have to define the different types of packages that are going to be included in the packaging that we are creating. At this point, the different varieties that the package will contain could be indicated, in case there is more than one variety. For example, we are going to indicate that the box of 15 kilograms contains a package of 10 kilograms of the Mandarin variety Nadorcot, and another package of the Mandarin variety Orri. For this purpose, we should have created these packages in the option Packages, in the main menu. As you can see, we already have created the packages of 5 and 10 kilograms. Now we have to add these packages of 5 and 10 kilograms to our packaging of 15 kilograms that we are creating. So for this, as step 3 shows, we have to select both packages and assign them with the varieties contained in the box. The sum of the weights has to be equal to the kilograms indicated before in the packaging. If it's not exactly the same, we won't be able to create the packaging. Click the Insert button to create the packaging. We can create a packaging that mixes several varieties or different weights. It is therefore a matter of creating the different combination of box packaging that you are going to use, and indicating the different packages contained in the box. Remember that in order to have your new packaging ready to print the labels, you should previously do a data download on the Gesvatec Labeling Software. If you need more information about how to create your packaging, please visit our help center in the gesvatec.com web app.